Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome to the Bitcoin update. Today it's actually Saturday, and we saw Bitcoin actually moving up to 38,400, resulting in a stop loss hunt of all this little bit of stop losses that was placed. Took the stop loss out here, and maybe just maybe we can take this stop loss once again. And yeah, it's pretty crazy. And by the way, today's 25th November. 5 more days for you to join the private. If you want to be a part of it, do message me on Twitter, by the way. Okay, so this is my Twitter. You can check this out on adamcoins_. Here we are. Boom. Okay, message me there. So there are some few things that I noticed about Bitcoin, and it's important that we talk about it. So let's dive into that one as well. Moving on the 4-hour time frame at the moment, this is a pattern that I wanted to show you very badly right now. So you have Bitcoin that is literally climbing up like this, and if anyone can guess what is going on, what's going on is that Bitcoin is making an ascending broadening wedge. Yesterday on the Discord, I'm actually going to show you some announcement here. And I actually told my members that, keep in mind 39,000 is a psychological number. So what does this really mean? 39,000 is a psychological number. So 39,000 is a psychological number because when you go to 39,000, your brain tells you that it floors the number. So flooring the number or round up the number is just the old classical mathematical stuff of saying that, yeah, if it's 39, then that means 40, right? So your brain is going to tell you $40,000. The next thing is if you go to 34, it means 35, and vice versa, right? Just like the way the last bull run we saw Bitcoin, actually in 2018 we saw Bitcoin to 19,000. People thought it's going to go to 20, and they wanted to sell at 20, but it started dropping from $19,000. So psychological number do play a lot, very much on altcoins as well. Now, however, if you still, kind of not go with 39,000 and the psychological number, then the highest you may see Bitcoin moving up is to, again, 39,277. So I may expect Bitcoin to actually push up to 39,500 or 39,300, actually not even touching 40. Okay, once you move up to 39, you start to bounce off here, come down, and go down and lose this completely ascending broadening wedge. And then the technical target of ascending broadening wedge is basically 33,450, and there are chances of this to happen because, again, the bearish divergence every single day keeps dropping to the downside. The RSI keeps dropping while the prices keep pushing up. So basically we can actually see just a little bit of another push here, take all the stop losses that are being placed, and finally drop to 33. And if you lose 33, then it's a whole straight down to $30,000 or $31,000. So that's it for this very quick update on Bitcoin. I'm going to see you with the next one. Allah Hafiz.